My dearest friend, today I want to share with you the challenges I face as a ruler and warrior. Currently, I am engaged in battles against the Germanic tribes in the north. It is a fierce and relentless fight, but I believe in the strength and valor of my soldiers. Every day, I wake up before dawn and gather my generals to strategize our next move. We discuss tactics, study maps, and analyze the enemy's strengths and weaknesses. The safety and prosperity of Rome are my utmost priorities, and I will do anything to protect our great empire. Our soldiers are brave warriors, but they need guidance and inspiration. I gather them before each battle, stand at the front lines, and speak words of courage and determination. I remind them of the honor and duty they have in defending our land. Together, we charge into battle, wielding our swords and shields with skill and precision. During the fights, I am in the thick of the action, leading my troops from the front. The sounds of clashing weapons fill the air, and I can feel the heat of the battle. Our enemies are strong and fierce, but so are we. I fight alongside my soldiers, encouraging them to push forward and never give up. With each victory, I feel a sense of pride and relief. But I also know that peace is fragile. I must continue to be vigilant, as new threats and conflicts can arise at any moment. It is my responsibility to defend our borders and maintain the safety and well-being of our people. Through these battles, I have learned many valuable lessons. I have witnessed the true strength of unity and the importance of trust and loyalty. I have seen the sacrifices our soldiers make to protect our homeland. I am grateful for their unwavering loyalty and will forever cherish the memories we have created together. As I write this letter, I want to express my gratitude for having you as a friend. Your support and companionship have been a source of strength throughout my reign. Though the challenges are tough, I believe in the resilience and determination of our people. We will overcome these obstacles and forge a brighter future for Rome.